Hi, and welcome to the Sagebrush Happy Hour Journal entry for February 8th, I
It
believe.
is the
And so this is my grandson, Jared.
hello.
And so Jared's been down here helping me. He's from Denver or Parker, Colorado, and he's been helping me do our solar install. So today we installed these 4 panels, and so that's pretty awesome. And so we're going to eventually put a micro inverter on those, and that'll give us another 1,600 watts of power. And so Jared's been a great help, and it's been nice enough to come down here and visit me in beautiful New Mexico.
Fun.
Love you, dude.
Love you too, Papa.
All right. Cheers.